Create unlimited personalized puzzle books in 60 seconds with the magic of RealEye, world's first AI-powered cloud-based platform that generates unique puzzles, riddles, and maze books, along with 1,000+ extra DIY puzzles with a commercial license. Create and sell endless puzzles and scrambles on Amazon Kindle or directly to your clients, all with an unlimited commercial license. Click Play, see PuzzleMaker in action. Join the elite group of winners publishing puzzle books on Amazon KDP, following 3 simple steps that take less than 5 minutes. Create hundreds of huge selling puzzle books in minutes. Build your fortune in passive income. You don't need any marketing or tech skills. Everything is done for you. Simply follow the 3 steps and watch the money pour in. Get PuzzleMaker at a low one-time price, $297 monthly, pay just $17, once and use forever. Welcome to my AI PuzzleMaker Review 2023 post, where I'll delve into its features, demos, pricing, upgrades, and the ways in which it can benefit you. This AI-powered application is designed to assist you in generating a consistent passive income by publishing puzzle books on Amazon KDP. Gain the ability to create and sell unlimited puzzle books on Amazon Kindle with an unrestricted commercial license. Craft puzzle books in any niche or category within minutes. The application provides extensive training and numerous customization options, and supports various file formats tailored to your specific requirements. PuzzleMaker is a revolutionary tool for aspiring puzzle book creators. Leveraging AI-powered technology, an intuitive interface, and comprehensive features, the app streamlines the process of crafting and selling puzzle books on Amazon KDP. Claimed to be the most profitable puzzle maker app ever created, PuzzleMaker vows to assist you in establishing a full-time passive income through the publication of puzzle books on Amazon KDP. What is PuzzleMaker? PuzzleMaker is cutting-edge software fueled by artificial intelligence, strategically crafted for the seamless creation of captivating puzzles. This tool empowers users to easily produce and publish puzzle books on the Amazon KDP platform, allowing them to build a consistent flow of passive income. Equipped with an unrestricted commercial license, users can create and sell an infinite array of puzzle books on Amazon Kindle. It serves as an optimal solution for individuals looking for a straightforward method to transform their love for puzzles into a flourishing online venture. AI PuzzleMaker Review 2023. Value: you'll get customize your title and description for unique, top-selling puzzles. Value: $97. Quick edit dashboard to edit your words in an instant. Value: $97. Comprehensive training included. Value: $97 when click puzzle downloads for individual puzzles. A complete books. Value: $97. Over 900 fonts to choose from. Value: $97. Numerous grid options you can change instantly. Value: $97. Multiple file formats. Value: $97. Puzzle regeneration at the click of a button. Value: $97. Numerous trim sizes to suit you puzzle book perfectly. Value: $97. Different placement options you puzzle clues. Value: $97. Eye-catching board options to help you puzzles look awesome. Value: $97. Multiple answer page options. Value: $97. Numerous solutions. Value: $97. Multiple color options for gorgeous books. Value: $97. Support whenever you need it to guarantee you success. Value: $97.